Guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be making fried rice. So guys, I'm starting up now with my chicken. I'm trying to parboil my chicken so that I can get out stock. So that I can get out chicken stock. So I'm putting in my seasoning, thyme, curry powder, and onions. Please don't mind my bulk of onion. I didn't cut it, just wanted it this way. Blended garlic and ginger, so guys, on the other hand, I'm trying to stir fry onions and oil for the rice. I like putting on butter because I like the aroma and the taste it gives. My chicken is boiling very well. Yes, I'm trying to stir fry the onions and oil for the rice. I also added blended ginger and garlic to this. Here comes in bay leaves, dried pepper, and curry powder, thyme, so I'm adding the amount of water that I'll be using to cook the rice. Here goes in salt, seasoning. I added a little more pepper, so I'm allowing it to boil. I'm adding in the chicken stock right now. I'm adding the rice. So when cooking this kind of rice, you have to make sure that you don't add too much water, because fried rice is not supposed to be soft, not too hard, and not too soft. So I added water that will be able to cook the rice. As you can see, the water covered it a little bit. It wasn't too much. So my rice is ready. As you can see, not too soft, not too hard. So guys, these are the ingredients for the sauce, for the fried rice sauce. So I'm having spring onions, green pepper, carrots, peas, and so on. I also have chicken breast cut out somewhere, sliced um pepper, fresh pepper. So I'm trying to slice everything. I'm trying to slice them into cubes. So here we go. I'm stir frying the peas, the green peas, to make it soft a little. So here comes my chicken breast that I've cooked a little, then the fresh pepper that was sliced. So I just added in black pepper. It gives fried rice this taste and aroma that makes it yummy. Adding in my carrots right now. I'm adding seasoning, not too much seasoning, just a little bit for taste. So guys, it's ready, the sauce is ready. So right now I'm trying to dish out the little portion that will be used at the moment. Guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, our food is ready. This is the outcome. This is our yummy fried rice. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.